Do you ever wonder what happened to the confident version of you? The woman who used to go places without overthinking every little thing, trusted your decision, handled challenges, and gone on with life. But now you question everything. You replay conversation over and over in your mind, and you worry about things that never used to bother you. And you might wondering, what happened? Why am I so anxious now? If you're a woman over 40 and this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common questions my client ask me. And I used to struggle with the same question as well. So in this video, I'm going to explain why this happens, what's really underneath that anxiety, and what you can do right now to help you feel calmer. Many women believe this is because of perimenopause or menopause. And yes, hormones can definitely play a role in it, but they're not the whole story. There's one more piece in the puzzle. The easiest way to explain it is with a bottle of water and an empty container. So I want you to think as container as your body. And since birth, you started to feel emotions. Maybe you weren't allowed to express your emotions. Maybe you had challenges while growing up. Maybe you had challenges with relationship. Every time there's a challenge, every time there's emotion that hasn't been expressed, it adds up to your emotional cup. Maybe you're caring for kids. Maybe you had to work full time. Maybe there's a pressure from work, pressure from your relationships, caring for your parents. And all it takes, it's one little drop, one little comment for the cup to overflow, for you to feel anxious, to feel not yourself anymore. And it's not the whole story as well. The second part of the puzzle is now that we reach a certain age, we start to slow down. We start to have a bit more space in our lives. Maybe the kids have left the house. So we find ourselves with much more space, with much more time. All the emotions that we've been carrying throughout our lives and didn't have time to process, all these emotions started to bubble up. We can't contain them anymore. Our emotional cup is full. So we feel that bubbly sensations in the body. Maybe we feel that in the stomach, in the chest, in our hands, in those anxious thoughts coming up. The mind trying to interpret what's happening in the body, why the body feels so anxious. So here's the part where a lot of women get it wrong. Often when we feel those words, why now? Why do I feel anxious right now? It brings emotions like frustration, anger, embarrassment. And that's completely valid. I completely understand that. I felt the same way too. So what I suggest, and this is the exact advice I give to my private clients, is to allow those emotions. Rather than fight them, rather than push them away, allow them. So you can tell yourself, okay, I feel this frustration, I feel this anger. And by allowing it, you're actually not fighting with yourself. So the frustration and the anger do not grow. They will actually dissipate quite faster when you just allow it. The second tip that I help my clients with, and I'd like to share with you when you feel those emotions come up, is to express them. So if you feel an anger comes up, maybe grab a pillow and squeeze, allow that anger to come out. Maybe you just feel you want to shout. One client of mine, she goes to the car and she shouts, and that really releases that energy, and then she goes back to the activity she wants to do and she moves forward from there. When we express our emotions, we're emptying the emotional cup. So you're not always on edge, which means you're much less anxious. Now, here's another beautiful tip that I always encourage my clients to do is to find something that you love to do to support your body to feel safe and calm. So for me, it could be going to my horse, walk with my dog. Sometimes it can be just walk to nature. So walk between the trees, go to the beach, feel the fresh air on your face. Allow those safety cues to come into your body. And that really helps the body to come back to feeling calmer after we discharge all the emotions from before. And while practicing that, you'll notice that your anxiety levels will drop. This is just one example of how to help yourself feel calmer. But if you like more tips, I actually put together a video with more than 30 anxiety relief tips. You can watch it right here.